In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use N8n templates effectively. Whether you're just getting started with N8n or you're looking to improve your workflow efficiency, templates can be a great ally. They not only help in jump-starting your process, but they also serve as a fantastic learning tool. Let's dive into how you can make the most of these resources. First off, open your web browser. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser, any of them should work just fine. Type in the official N8n website address in the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring you to the main landing page, your starting point for accessing all the features N8n offers. Once the website loads, locate the Sign In button. It'll usually be prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free, and it unlocks the full potential of N8n's features. After signing in, you'll be greeted with the workspace where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, direct your attention to the plus icon. Clicking on this gives you two main options. You can either select the specific application and action you want to set up, or you can opt to start from a template. The Start from a Template option is usually recommended if you're looking to ease your way into the process, or if you're in need of inspiration for what you want to accomplish. If you decide to explore the template route, go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to the template library, a treasure trove of pre-built workflows. Browse through these templates to find one that closely matches your needs. Templates are organized around common use cases, so there's a good chance you'll find something that aligns with your objectives. When you find a template you'd like to try, simply click on Use for Free. This will import the template directly into your workspace, saving you the effort of starting from scratch. You can then modify the template as needed to better fit your specific requirements. Templates are a great way to see examples of what you can build with N8n. They also highlight best practices for creating your own workflows. By studying and replicating these templates, you can learn the ropes quickly and begin mastering workflow automation. And there we have it. With these steps, you now know how to use N8n templates to their fullest potential, opening up a world of automation efficiency. So, log in, explore the templates, and get started on creating streamlined workflows today. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.